Imagine a world where your glasses don't just help you see, but actually think with you. Where you can translate languages instantly, capture photos without touching your phone, and get answers just by speaking naturally. That world is no longer science fiction. Meta has officially introduced its third-generation AI smart glasses for 2026, and they might be the closest thing yet to a wearable AI assistant you can actually use every day. But the real question is, are these finally the smart glasses that change everything? Welcome back to Gadgets Hub. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Meta's latest AI smart glasses, covering design, AI features, camera upgrades, real-world use, limitations, and whether they are actually worth it. These are not just a small upgrade. Meta has completely refined the experience to feel more natural, more powerful, and more useful in everyday life. At first glance, the 2026 Meta AI glasses look simple and minimal, almost like regular premium eyewear. Lightweight frame, clean design, and a style that blends into everyday fashion. But when you look closer, you realize this is not normal eyewear. Inside this simple design is a full AI computing system. Hidden microphones, upgraded spatial speakers, ultra-wide cameras, motion sensors, and Meta's latest AI chip working silently behind the scenes. Everything is engineered to disappear into the background, so you don't feel like you are wearing a gadget. You just feel like you are wearing glasses. And that's exactly the point. Now here's where things start getting interesting. These glasses are powered by Meta's advanced multimodal AI system that understands what you see, what you hear, and what you say, all in real time. You can ask completely natural questions like, what is this place? Translate this sign. What am I looking at? Or even, explain this object in front of me. And instead of pulling out your phone, the answer comes instantly through voice. It feels less like searching and more like talking to an invisible assistant that sees the world with you. One of the biggest features is live translation. You can talk to someone in another language and hear real-time translation directly in your ear. No typing, no apps, no camera switching, just natural human conversation. And what makes it powerful is the speed. It feels almost instant, which keeps the conversation flowing naturally. The glasses also include object recognition and scene understanding. So if you're looking at a landmark, a menu, a product, or even street signs, the AI can identify and explain it in seconds. It's like having Google built into your vision, but without the screen. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts, the camera system. The 2026 version improves photo and video capture significantly. You can record everything from a first-person perspective without touching your phone at all. Everything is hands-free. You're walking, exploring, traveling, and the glasses quietly capture your experience exactly as you see it. The AI also enhances footage automatically. It adjusts lighting, stabilizes movement, and improves clarity in real time. So even casual clips look more cinematic without editing. This is a huge shift for content creators, vloggers, and travelers. Because now you don't need to hold a camera to capture life. Now let's shift to something more important. How this actually feels in real life. Because features on paper are one thing, but daily usage is where things matter. These glasses are designed around one idea. Reduce your dependence on your phone. You are walking outside, you see something interesting, and instead of stopping, unlocking your phone, opening an app, you simply ask, what am I looking at? And instantly, you get a response. You are traveling in another country. You hear a different language, and the glasses translate it in real time while you continue your conversation naturally. No interruptions, no friction, no screen dependency. Everything feels continuous, almost invisible. And that is the biggest shift here. Now imagine this in daily life. You are in a coffee shop, you see a product you like, and instead of searching manually, you just ask the glasses what it is and where to buy it. Or you are walking in a new city, and instead of checking maps constantly, directions appear naturally as audio guidance while you keep looking forward. It starts to feel less like using technology, and more like your environment itself is becoming intelligent. Now performance has also improved compared to earlier generations. Responses are faster, smoother, and more natural. There is less delay between your question and the AI response, which is extremely important for making the experience feel human-like. Even small delays can break immersion, but here, interactions feel almost conversational. The AI also has better context awareness. So if you ask follow-up questions, it remembers what you were talking about. This makes interactions feel less like commands and more like a real assistant. Now let's talk about battery life, because this is where reality hits. These are still not full-day heavy-use devices. Light usage like quick questions, notifications, translations, and occasional photos can last several hours. But heavy continuous AI usage will drain the battery faster. To solve this, Meta includes a charging case that works like a portable power hub. You can recharge the glasses multiple times while on the go, which makes them more practical for travel and daily commuting. Still, battery remains one of the biggest limitations of smart glasses technology today. There are also a few other important limitations to understand. Many AI features depend on cloud processing, which means stable internet is required. In low connectivity areas, performance can drop or responses may slow down. Another limitation is social comfort. Even though the design is improved and more stylish, it is still noticeable that you are wearing smart glasses. So they are not completely invisible or socially neutral in every situation yet. Now let's talk about who these are actually for. These glasses are not meant for everyone. They are ideal for tech enthusiasts who want early access to futuristic technology. They are perfect for travelers who want instant translation and navigation assistance. They are great for content creators who want hands-free capture. And they are ideal for early adopters who enjoy experimenting with new AI tools. But if you are someone who just wants a basic, everyday gadget without thinking too much about technology, then this might feel unnecessary or even overkill. Now for the final verdict. Meta's third-generation AI smart glasses are not just another wearable upgrade. They represent a shift in how we interact with technology. We are slowly moving from devices we hold to intelligence we wear, from screens to vision-based computing, from typing to speaking naturally. These glasses are not replacing your phone yet, but they are reducing how often you need to use it. And that alone is a massive step forward. Because this is not just about glasses. This is about the future of computing becoming invisible. And when you really think about it, we are only at the beginning of this shift. So the real question is simple. Would you actually wear AI glasses like this in your daily life? Or does it still feel too futuristic? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Gadgets Hub for more tech breakdowns, AI gadgets, and future technology explained in a simple way. Because the future is not coming. It is already here.